Okay, go in on a breakaway. Try and score on them that way.
Okay.
Oh, yeah!
No stop.
I don't think he has the power to do the stop shot. Would you be okay with me putting it on YouTube or not? I don't have to.
Yeah.
I just need your permission, that's all. I won't put names or anything on, and we don't see his face all that clearly.
Yeah. What? Yeah. Do you mind going on YouTube? He's inviting me for YouTube channel. I'm like, you're 9. You're not getting a YouTube channel.
You gotta get those last 2 squares.
Yeah. No cheating, Nate.
Don't make it too hard, Greg. Come on, raise it up, hit the thing while he's behind the net.